her sippy cup.
What are you gonna do?
Maybe put it in her sippy cup because it's gonna take forever. Poor girl. I know. Come on, I'm trying to feed you. I know.
It's because she's really hungry.
Just put it in. Just taking too long. Is it taking too long? Oh, yeah.